So my camera broke during the drags. So here's how it went. Got the engine in, got it running. The fastest the Jag ever went was 1620. I was running in the 15s, and I knew it had more. So Saturday race day, I came home, took the carburetor, took this one off the Blazer, put it on here, put another 1-inch spacer on it, went back to the drags and ran 1477, quickest time this car's ran. But anyways, put the engine together with the ram horn exhaust on the Vortec heads, and when I breaking in the engine was driving it to the drag strip. That was the break-in. But it runs really good, and I'm very pleased with it. Yep, very happy. So that's why I haven't put no videos out lately. That's the reason. So I guess I started it. So that brings you up to date. Rebuilt the engine, put it together, started it up, drove it to the drag strip, ran it, and that's what's up. So you want to see what's going on in the back? So doggy stairs. Come on, let's go up on the roof. Come on. Let's go, come on. Come on, go. Hey, my boy likes to be up here, huh? That's my Alice likes to be up here. I like to be on the roof. Alice likes to be on the roof, doesn't he? That's my boy. Boat. There's Camo. There's Camo, made it up on the roof. He finally made it up here. Where's he been hiding? There's 58. Slowly coming together. And that's it. Okay, see ya.